From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Violet Skybor.
Good evening, everyone. We had a few severe thunderstorm warnings for Lewis County and in the North Country, but for us in the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys, we're seeing a little bit more quiet weather. But first, taking a live look from our tower cam, CAVI sponsored, towards downtown Utica. Again, seeing partly sunny skies, really not a whole lot of activity here in Utica and in the Southern Valleys, but it's a different story as we look up towards the North Country. We still do have the chance, even for Utica, for the marginal risk for severe storms this evening. And that's mainly for gusty winds on these and even some minor flooding, as we can see some heavy downpours on these thunderstorms, even the ones that are out there right now. And as we take a live look from our Adirondack Bank Storm Tracker 2 radar and satellite, you can see most of the activity is north of Little Falls in Utica, out by Boonville and Old Forge. And we also have a severe thunderstorm warning still in effect, and this runs through Lewis County. So this is from right now until 6:30 p.m., but they may even extend this as most of the activity is still right on the border of Lewis County. These are moving to the northeast. They're producing heavy rain, also some very gusty winds around 60 miles per hour on some of these, so that can produce some damage. So be careful, and if you are out maybe on the lake up north, you definitely want to get off and find some shelter. So again, these are all moving to the northeast, and we're not seeing much activity in Utica right now. But as we head into tonight, we're seeing this system, which is MCV. It's called a mesoscale convective vortex. What that means is it's basically just this turning system that has a widespread rain patch around it, around light to moderate rain. And that moves in overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. So scattered thunderstorms this evening. Around midnight is when that blob of rain moves in, and that's for the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys. And then it moves out, heading towards the north as we go towards tomorrow morning, with just the chance of an isolated shower or storm as we go towards Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon. Really not likely, and most of us are just going to see partly sunny skies. So outside right now, 81 degrees for Dorothy and Stratford, 85 for Franken Paynes Hollow, 86 for Lewin Barneveld, and 86 degrees for Mike and New Hartford. Heading down to the Southern Valleys this evening, 81 for Stewart and Cooperstown, 77 for Mark and Milford, 75 for Scott and Edmiston, and 79 degrees up in Cassville for Helen. Timing out the rest of your forecast. Scattered thunderstorms this evening, the possibility of some of these being severe as we head into tonight. A little bit more of a widespread rain on the lighter to moderate side. Temperatures dropping down into the upper 60s. That widespread rain moves out for just a couple of isolated showers by tomorrow morning. Most of us are going to see dry weather with decreasing clouds and more sunshine by the afternoon. All of the rain looks to end by 5 p.m. Highs only reach the low to mid 80s. So for this evening, temperatures around 80 degrees with scattered thunderstorms, then some showers heading into tonight, a low around 69 degrees. Here's a look at the rest of your forecast. Rain for today, but tomorrow most of us stay dry, just an isolated shower. A better chance for rain on Monday and Tuesday, highs around 80 degrees, and then back near 90 looking towards the end of the week.